relation between cardinality of sets. So we discussed in the previous session what is the cardinality of set. Now we are going to give relation between the cardinality of sets. They are A union B, A intersection B, A and B. And the relation will be the relation between cardinality of A union B, A intersection B, A and B sets is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So cardinality of A union B is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. Now we are going to verify this by taking some examples. Let us move to a problem. Let me take another screen. So let us see. Verify n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B for A is equal to set containing X such that X belongs to N and X is less than or equal to 5. B is equal to X such that X belongs to N and 3 is less than or equal to X less than or equal to 8. So what is this form called? This is called set builder form of a set, isn't it? A and B are explained by using set builder form. Okay. Let me erase this problem. Okay. So let us move to this. First, I'm going to write the roster form of A and B. That is list form of A and B. A is equal to, here the natural number set starts with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write up to 5 since X is less than or equal to 5. Next, what is B? B is equal to set containing X belongs to N. Again, X starts with, N starts with 1 only. But given condition is 3 is less than or equal to X less than or equal to 8. So a natural number should be in between 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are included. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, since we have to verify this using Venn diagram, let us take using Venn diagram or with Venn diagram. Okay. So in order to draw Venn diagram, first what we have to do? We have to find A intersection B. A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? How many common elements these two sets have? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So this is equal to set containing 3, 4, 5. This is not equal to pi. That means A and B are not disjoint sets. For non-disjoint sets, how to draw a Venn diagram? Let us see that. So in order to draw a Venn diagram, first what we have to do, we have to draw a universal set and denote this with mu. Clear? Denote this with mu. Okay. Next, we have to take two sets A and B. Generally, sets are denoted by a circle or an ellipse. So let us denote A with violet set and B with green set. Okay. Okay, B with green set. First, what we have to do, we have to fill the intersection part. In intersection part, we have how many elements? 3 elements. What are they? 3, 4, 5. Let us fill that. Okay, so 3, 4, 5. In A, we got 3, 4, 5. So what are the remaining elements in A? 1, 2. So we write in that. 1, 2. So in B, totally we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many elements? 6 elements. Out of 6 elements, we got 3, 4, 5, 3 elements. So what are the remaining elements? We write the remaining elements in B minus A part. So 6, 7, 8. That's all. This is the Venn diagram. Now tell me, from the Venn diagram, what is N of A? N of A. How many elements are there in A? 5 elements. What is N of B? N of B is equal to how much? N of B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. A intersection B. N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. How many elements are there? 3, 4, 5, 3 elements are there. Okay. Let us write what is A union B. A union B means either in A or in B or in both. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is N of A union B then? N of A union B is equal to 8. Okay. So let us verify that in the left hand side. What is the term in left hand side of N of A union B? N of A union B. So N of A union B is equal to how much? 8. In right hand side, what we have? In right hand side, we have N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So that is equal to what is N of A? 8. What is N of B? 3 minus what is N of A intersection B? Sorry, what is N of B? 6, no? N of B is 6. Minus what is N of A intersection B? 3. What is N of A? Sorry. What is N of A? 5, isn't it? So let me erase this. N of A is 5. Okay. N of A is 5. N of B is 6. N of A intersection B is 3. So what is it is equal to? 6 minus 3, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. From these two, what we can say? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Hence verified. What we have verified? N of A union B is equal to N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. A intersection B. Thus, we verified this. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. I hope this is very clear to you. If you want, you write A union B also here. what will be A union B? A union B is equal to, what are the elements in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 elements. Okay. So in this way, we verify n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. It's very, very easy problem, isn't it? Now I want to mute you. If you have any doubt, let us discuss that. Is the problem clear to you, to all of you, ma?
Yes.
Verifying. It's very important, ma. It's very important
ma'am.
verifying n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Clear? Okay. So this is one case. If we have non-disjoint sets, how to verify? We observe that. If we are having disjoint sets, how to verify this formula? Let us see that. Let us move to the next problem. Second problem. Second one. Let us take A is equal to X such that X belongs to N and X is even number less than 10. Okay. B is equal to X is such that X belongs to N, no need to write that also. And X is an odd number less than 10. Less than 10. Verify n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B and draw Venn diagram. That's the question. Okay. So let us move to the solution. First, what we have to do? We have to write what is A and what is B. Let us take A. A is equal to set containing X is an even number less than 10. Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8. Whether 10 is in set A or not? No, because it should be less than 10. Next, B. Let us take B. B is equal to set containing X is an odd number less than 10. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's all. So in order to draw Venn diagram, first what we have to do?
A intersection B.
Very good, ma. First we have to find A intersection B. Whether A and B have any common elements?
No.
Null set.
Null set. Very good.
Empty set, ma'am.
Empty
5.
set.
A is
Empty
equal to
set
5.
5. So here itself we will write down, ma. What is n of A? What is n of B? What is n of A union B? Now tell me what is n of what is A union B?
1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
1,
3, 4, 5,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7,
7,
8,
8,
9.
9.
So now tell me, what is n of A?
4.
4,
What is n of B?
5.
5. What is n of A intersection B?
0.
Whether n of A intersection B equal to pi? Pi is a
5,
set, ma.
0.
0 is a number.
0, ma'am.
N of means is a number. So n of A intersection B equal to 0 since it is an empty set, null set, isn't it? What is n of A union B?
9.
9.
9.
Here itself we can verify, but what they asked us to draw the Venn diagram. So let us draw Venn diagram. We know how to draw Venn diagram for disjoint sets also. Okay. Now I'm asking a question, ma. How to draw? Tell me. How
Madam,
to
A
draw, ma?
separate, B separate రాయాలి మేడం.
Rectangle
Exactly,
గీయాలి
ma.
ma'am.
Exactly, ma.
Separate.
This is mu.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to draw separately A and B. Why?
Practice.
Why? What's the reason?
Because they are disjoint
They are
sets, ma'am.
disjoint
Not
just
overlapping madam.
Yeah, because they are
no common elements in
disjoint sets. Clear? So, this is A. In A, what are the elements, ma? 2, 4, 6,
Ma'am.
8.
2,
In B,
4,
what
6,
are the
8.
elements, ma?
1, 3, 5, 7.
1, 3,
1,
5,
5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
9.
This is the Venn diagram for this for these sets. Okay. Next, what we have to do? We have to verify. So to verify, let us take heading. To verify n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, na? So what we have to take, ma? Give response. What we have to take, consider. Boys and
Line.
girls, left hand side we have to take.
Left hand side.
Whenever we have to verify, we have to take left hand side and right hand side separately. Isn't it?
Nine.
What we have in the left hand side of the equation? N of A
N of A
union B.
union B.
B.
That is equal to how much? 9.
9.
Next, consider. What we have
Right
to
hand
consider?
Right
Right hand side.
Right hand side. Right hand
What we have in the right hand side of the equation?
N of A plus N of B
N
minus
of
N of
A.
A intersection B.
plus N of B minus
N of
N
A
of
intersection B.
B.
Okay. So what is N of A, ma?
4.
4
4.
plus 5 minus what is N of A intersection B?
Minus N of
0.
Not pi, ma. There's a lot of difference between pi and 0. Pi is a set, 0 is a number,
Nine
it's
minus
an
zero.
element, isn't it? So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9.
9
So whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not?
equal.
Yes, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Clear? Hence verified. That's all. So we verified a formula, this relation for disjoint sets, for non-disjoint sets, and we are going to verify this formula to another set.
Joint sets.
Can you guess what is that? We discussed 3
Subset.
different forms for Venn diagram. Yeah, exactly, ma. Who is that?
Shanmukhavardhan madam.
Shanmukhavardhan. Very good, ma. Shanmukh. Very good, very good, very good. So we are going to verify relation between between a cardinality of sets for subsets. Okay.
Major set.
So let us take that. I want to frame one question. Let A is equal to X, or I will take set of factors of 6. Set of factors of 6. Okay. And B is equal to set of factors of, what we will take, ma, for subset, factors of 18, na?
12.
12 or 18. Okay, na? So now tell me, what we have to write first? We have to write the list form, roster form, isn't it? So A is equal to set containing 6. How we write 6, ma? You completed real numbers. Okay. How many factors it has? 4 factors.
1,
What
2,
are they?
3, 6.
1,
1, 2,
2,
3, 6.
3, 6. Okay. Next we take B. 18. How we write 18? 2 2, 9.
1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18.
1, 2, 3.
It has 6 factors.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8.
3, 6. How many, ma? 3, 2, 6, no?
9,
9, 18.
9.
9, 18. Now tell me whether these two are disjoint sets. What is the intersection B?
No, madam.
No, madam.
No, ma'am.
What are the elements in the intersection B?
1, 2, 3, 6.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3,
6, madam.
6. All the elements of A are in B. That
B.
means what we say?
A subset
A is subset of B.
Subset of B, madam.
Okay, what will be A union B, ma?
1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18.
Set of B.
What is that set? It's nothing but B. It's very, very important bit, ma. I'm repeating it again. If A is subset of B, A union B will be a bigger set. What is a bigger set? B. A intersection B. A intersection
B
B
subset of A.
is a smaller set. What is A intersection B? A. If A is subset of B. That's a very, very important. Definitely, in many competitive exams that bit is asked. Okay. You remember that I highlighted that in the previous session also. Clear? Okay. If A is subset of B, A intersection B equal to A, smaller set. A union B equal to B, bigger set. Clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now let us draw Venn diagram. Okay. Venn diagram means first what we have to take? We have to take
Intersection B. Not rectangle universal set.
first we have to take universal set mu ma. Now how to draw? Whether we have to join two sets?
No, madam. And what set lo what set
No,
rayo?
ma'am.
సర్కిల్ ఇంకో
Yes.
సర్కిల్ పెట్టాలి
Why? Here
A is the subset of B.
A is
Subset, ma'am.
subset of
ఎలిమెంట్స్
B.
ఆర్ దేర్
So how to draw this? Which is a bigger set? Bigger set is B. Inside B, what we have to take? We have to take A. Clear? We have to take A. What is this? Blue represents A set. Sorry, A means a smaller one, no? A. A minute. Yeah, A is a smaller set. B is a bigger set, the green one. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what are the elements in A?
1, 2, 3.
6. So let us write elements in A. 1, 2, 3, 6. What are the remaining elements in B, ma? 1, 2, 3, 6 are also in B.
9,
What are the
18.
remaining elements?
9,
9
18,
and
madam. 9, 18.
let us write them. 9, 18.
18.
Clear? 9, 18. Okay.
18.
Now collect what is n of A, what is n of B. What is n of A? N of A is equal to
4, madam.
4. What is n of B?
6, madam.
What is n of A union B? 6, definitely.
6, madam.
What is n of A intersection B? 4.
4.
4 మేడం
What's the next step, ma?
LHS is equal
To verify n of A union B is equal to n of A plus you have minus n of A intersection B. So let us consider left hand side. What we have in left hand side? N of A union B. What is n of A union B? 6. Let us consider right hand side. Consider right hand side. What we have to find? N of A plus n of B
N of
minus
A
N of A intersection B.
So what is N of A? 4
4
plus 6.
6 minus 4.
Minus
Is equal to
So
6 minus
6.
4.
From these two, what we can say?
4.
Left hand side is equal to,
is equals to
Right hand.
LHS
Um,
equals to RH.
from these two we can say LHS is equal to RHS.
RHS.
hence
Hence
verified.
verified.
Hence verified. Okay. So this is the way how to verify N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay. So
Yes, madam.